What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here in the shop with the Genesis Coupe. Still sitting like it has for a long time. We've been waiting for parts for a while. They finally arrived, so we're going to be doing a little unboxing today and going through some of the parts I got for the Genesis Coupe, and hopefully we can get this car back up on the road sometime soon. This is going to be Genesis Coupe Build Series Episode 2, so let's get right into it. Guys, I don't know how it's possible, but I somehow got all the parts to fit in here. I'm gonna have to use two hands for this, but I just wanted to show you guys freaking how big these boxes are. Got the whole freaking backseat of the Crown Vic taken out. So peep the lower Vic. If you didn't see the last video, go watch it. I put coilers on this thing, dropped it. She looks good. Anyways, let's get the parts inside. It's a big one, dude. Jeez. Alright guys, we're gonna start with the big package today. Honestly, I could not remember what all even came in the kit, and I think this is only shipment 1 of 2. So, I'm not sure if everything will be here, or I'm not even sure what's going to be in here, so let's just open it up. It's like early Christmas. Although it is almost Christmas anyways. Hopefully Santa brings me an LS1. I don't think it's going to happen, but... Alright guys, first package open. I'm so excited, dude. Like, you guys want to... We got a lot of mini boxes. Yeah, that works out good. We can unbox mini boxes. Right now that I tore the big box down, let's just go over the whole stack of things we are about to unbox for the Genesis Coupe. There's a lot more things than I thought that would be in here. Dude, I'm just so excited. Let's just start ripping apart the boxes. I'm literally like a kid on Christmas right now. Unboxing car parts is like one of my favorite things to do. It's just a different feeling, so let's get into it. Hope you guys have a good angle on this. I tried to set up the camera the best I could. Like I said, when I ordered this kit, it came with a lot of things. I forget everything that is included, but we're gonna find out just because I ordered a pretty long time ago. Okie dokie. Okay, we got the new oil dipstick. Nice. So we're starting out with the best part. Got the LS swap oil pan so that it will fit in the Genesis Coupe nicely. This is a clean oil pan, guys. There you go, that's better. So, first part we unbox is the oil pan for the LS swap. And yes, if you guys did not know, I'm LS swapping the Genesis Coupe. I was gonna kind of keep this secret, but like, what's the point? Because there's gonna be a lot of surprises hidden among the build anyways. We got some bolts and a sticker. I'm gonna have to take that sticker off, put it on something. I believe these are the power steering. Yep, so this is a power steering relocation kit lines. So these are power steering lines to relocate the power steering so that everything can work and that I can still keep power steering in the car. All right, next up we got the oil pickup tube, another basic part that is very, very important in the swap, but just another little part here. Let me say too, the quality of the Sikky parts are insane. Like, this oil pan quality is amazing. This kit quality looks amazing. I know there's a couple of LS swap kits out there. Sikky's got some good stuff, so if you guys are looking for that for a kit, they make it for a good bit of cars too. Definitely check out Sikky, because I give them props. This is some nice stuff. These are the urethane mounts. I believe these are motor mounts. They look like, yes, these are motor mounts. Also important because we need to mount the motor in here. This is just the oil pan gasket. It's actually an OEM LS oil pan. Huh. Gasket. Sweet. Alright, next box. Where'd I put the knife? Oh, there it is. I kind of sound like Squidward right now for some reason, because I don't know if I'm getting sick or what's going on, but my nose is a little clogged up, so I'm sorry about that. I'm assuming these might be the transmission mounts. I don't know. Actually, that is the transmission mount. I don't know what these are. Yo, they gave us 2 koozies, bro. I'll take it. Got more bolts. These are the other parts of the motor mount. So these goes onto the engine, and then the mount goes on here. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna unbubble wrap this thing for you guys. Check this freaking thing out, dude. That's what I'm saying. Don't sleep on Sikky, bro. They make some good stuff. So these are what attaches to the motor, and then the engine mount, I believe, or maybe these actually sit in, and the motor mount goes on them. Honestly, first LS swap, so I don't exactly know what everything's doing. I will figure it out though. Alright, so here are the 2 other parts of the motor mounts. These are insane quality as well. Good job, Sikky. This stuff looks crazy, so I can't wait to get all this in the car. But here are the 2 other parts in the motor mounts, and then here are the other pieces to them. Wow, I am impressed with these. These look freaking insane. There's the motor mounts. It looks like one's actually shorter than the other, which could make sense. These are the bolts for them, so I'm gonna keep them there. Whenever you guys unbox a lot of car parts, it's probably important to keep them somewhat organized still, because especially something like this, you got a lot of parts. Got that Sikky sticker. I'm gonna go slap that on the Genesis after this. So I do stickers too. Like I get car parts. There's a sticker on my car like before the parts are even on there. That's just how it is. I don't know why. But hopefully this video isn't boring you. I'm sorry for this. I wanted to make this because I figured I actually like unboxing videos. So sweet. We got the oil filter that we're going to be using. We got the oil filter relocation bracket. So it's actually going to be relocated to the side of the oil fan. We got our lines for said oil filter relocation. Nice lines as well. Okay. We're definitely going to put all this back in the box. Standard oil filter, nothing special. Here's a relocation bracket. I'm not going to take out the bag. Hopefully you guys can see it. But this bolts onto the oil pan, and that's where our new oil filter is going to be. We've got some AN lines for the oil filter relocation. Also good quality. So far, unboxing this, quality has not been, quality's been on point is what I should have said, but we're going to keep on trucking here. See what else we got. Okay, these are the transmission parts. So, these are the relocation brackets for the shifter. So this is for an T56 style trans, and this relocates it to line up with the stock Hyundai stuff. Hopefully you guys can see that. That was just bubble wrap, don't worry. Another clean machined manufactured part from Sikky. This kit is all inclusive. I mean, most of the stuff that you would need custom fab is like already here, which is the point of the kit, but it is very, very nice. So you have that. Another sticker. You already know I'm going to be using all these stickers. Shifter relocation bracket. Got that. Dang, we're filling up the table, boys. Put that over there. Got some other minor things in the bag. I don't even know what this is. Okay, so this is the GTO style shifter cup. Got that to run the GTO trans. We got the trans mount. This is actually a small trans mount. But this is for the T56 to bolt it into the Hyundai car. So there's a trans mount. Put all that with the other trans stuff. Hand-mounted remote oil filter adapter block. Okay. Part of the oil filter relocation here too. Got some of the parts for that. Put that in here with these. And off to this box. Honestly, don't know what is in this box. I think I know it's in the long box. Pretty obvious. But I'm not sure what's actually in here. If anyone's still watching, by the way, it's probably a couple minutes in. If anyone's still watching, appreciate it. Huh. Big bracket. Okay, Hyundai Genesis LS T56 transmission crossover. Got it. So I guess this bolts into the factory spots, and it's that little trans cross member. Nice solid piece, all finished up nicely and painted. That is how I'm going to fit on the table. Put that down on the ground. And we are on to the last box. Now I previously said, I think I already know what's in this box, but check this freaking unit out, guys. This is I believe it's a 3.5 inch aluminum drive shaft for the LS swap. This is a clean unit. Sikky knows what they're doing. That is apparent. So, other than the fact that I just made a huge mess in here, we get everything laid out on the table and we're gonna go through it again. Alright guys, so I got everything laid out on the table. We're just going to go through it again quick. This is all the trans stuff. So this is a T56 shifter relocation, new trans mount. Got the drive shaft, some stickers. Here are the engine mounts. And then we got the power steering relocation, oil dipstick, or oil dipstick and dipstick tube, oil pickup tube. Some bolts, obviously just random bags of bolts for things. The nice freaking oil pan. Oil filter relocation and some of the transmission bracket stuff, and that's all that is included. Now you can get headers with this kit. I opted out of them. I'm probably going to go with custom headers of my own choosing, but here is the whole kit. This kit is very high quality stuff. Sikky makes good kits, so if you guys are interested in picking up something, I would recommend Sikky all the way. I know ISR and a couple other companies make kits for this car and obviously many other cars, but honestly Sikky kind of has it down to a pat. So this is some nice stuff here, so can't wait to throw these on the car and get it going actually. So this is the unboxing video. Here's everything that is included in the kit, all nice and laid out for you. All right, there you guys have it. There's everything that comes in the Sikky LS swap for the Genesis Coupe. You guys, this car's been broken for a long time now, way too long. I miss this car so much. Just debating on LS swapping at first just because of the 3.8 reliability, all that. And you know, we just decided to send it. We're gonna LS swap this thing. And we got a lot in store for this car, so you definitely wanna stick around for that. Make sure you guys sub and comment, I would appreciate it. Leave me comments below on what you wanna see with the Gen. Also, any way I can improve my content. I hope this video today was actually entertaining. Not sure how good it's gonna come out, but I just wanted to do an unboxing vid anyways. Let's start freaking knocking away at this thing. So this is another episode of the build, but we didn't do anything today. Now we have a bunch of parts to install, and still got to pick up the motor and trans for the car and kind of shave the bay down a little. There's some stuff we don't need anymore in there, and it is dirty, so I'm going to clean it up, shave it down. Thank you guys for watching. Let's start freaking knocking this car out, and hopefully by 2022 we can be rolling around in something pretty freaking sick. Thank you guys for watching again, and stay tuned for more videos.